clown action. Can you twist a riddle? Question mark. Please recommend clown action.
Start by pumping up a blush balloon. Do one pinch twist. Make one 8cm bubble, another pinch twist, and another 8cm bubble to tie on the other side. This makes the face and the ears. Using a black balloon, make an 8cm bubble and make an eye mask. Pump up a lime green balloon and make an 8cm bubble. This will be the hair. Get a dark green balloon and a eucalyptus green balloon. If you don't have a eucalyptus green balloon, you can also use any other green color. Ready? Tie both of the balloons on the same side of the ear. Now bring the dark green one across. Make a 9cm bubble and tie onto the other ear. This makes his hat. Now here comes the tricky part. Squeeze out the air of both of the balloons and twist it at the bottom of the head. This is going to form his torso. Using the dark green balloon, make two 6cm bubbles, and this will make his body. Now once again, squeeze out the air of both of the balloons and twist them to form his waist. Now using the dark green balloon, make 4 pinch twists to form the belt. Now you can cut off the dark green balloon and save this part for the arms. Leave a 14cm bubble, tie a knot, and leave it for the arms. Using the eucalyptus green balloon, first start with a 7cm bubble, a pinch twist, a loop twist, then add a 2cm bubble as a spacer, a pinch twist, and another loop twist. These are the 2 feet. Now, bring back another 7cm bubble and tie it onto the waist to form the second leg. Now you can cut this balloon off and tie a knot. With the dark green balloon, split it in half into 2 7cm bubbles. Then slide it under the head to make 2 arms. When that's done, grab your markers and start drawing. Using a white paint marker, start by drawing the eyes. Using a black marker, add lots of question marks around his body, his hat, and on his shirt. Make sure to add some on his pants as well. Now using the white paint marker again, give him some teeth. With a light pink marker, give him some blush. Using a black marker, draw him his eyes. And add details to his mouth. Finally, using a blue marker, shade in his eyes. And now you're all done!
Whoa, I have a Balloon Riddler. I think I should put it here. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you. Bye-bye.